What's going on, guys? This is Isaac here with Krietz Customs again, and I'm going over a 2017 Ford F-150 Lariat that we just got done lifting. And so what we're going to go over is the lift kit, wheels and tires of what we added, and also the fitment options that we went with. So this one's going to have the 6-inch rough country suspension lift kit with the lifted struts. So this one is going to have the spacers that go above the strut. This one's going to be the extended struts, which is an upgraded package for a rough country lift kit. This one's going to allow us to fit this bigger 35-inch tire, which is going to be a 35-1250 R22 Nitto Ridge Grappler, which is going to be a great hybrid tire. So this one is great for on-road purposes. It's going to give you a nice long life, wear life, and but it's also going to give you a nice mud terrain look with a little bit more aggressive style and also the capabilities of going off-road. With this bigger tire and this lift kit, we did have to trim a little bit of this plastic piece down here on the bumper, but nothing major at all. Down here we have a 22x12 TIS 544MB with the machine face and gloss black lip. This one's a very popular one that we have going on in the community right now, and I think is a very good look for a lot of trucks. It doesn't matter what vehicle you put it on or what color the truck is, this wheel is going to stand out on that truck and match, like this one, it's going to match the bumpers and all the other accents going on. This one's going to be a directional look with the split spoke design, and it's going to have a -44 offset like I think I mentioned before, which is going to give it a nice big lip. It's going to be about 5 inches and also push that wheel and tire package out a couple of inches, giving a nice wider stance. So overall, I really like this look of the wheels and tires and the lift kit all together for this truck. It's going to give it a nice put together look, and I think if you guys are liking this build, you should definitely give us a call or check it out our website and get your truck built like it. We have financing options for you, so if you guys have any questions about that, make sure you check in the description and we can help you there.